Good evening everyone. Today our video's topic is wellness. What is wellness and how to maintain wellness? So, wellness is the act of practicing healthy habits on a daily basis to attain better physical and mental health outcomes. To understand the significance of wellness, it's important to understand how it's linked to the health. According to the World Health Organization, health is defined as being a state of complete physical, mental, and social well being and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Several key areas of your lifestyle are considered dimensions of overall wellness. They include social connectedness, exercise, nutrition, sleep, and mindfulness. Each one has an impact on your physical and mental health. By making simple and healthy choices on a daily basis, you will be well on your way towards reducing stress, having positive social interaction, and achieving optimal wellness. You don't have to run a marathon or go on a restrictive diet to implement wellness into your everyday life. I listed a few examples for each dimensions. First is social connectedness. Connecting with friends or loved ones is a great way to help improve your physical and mental health. Take 10 minutes out of your day to call someone you have been thinking about. This is a great way to connect and catch up with the people that matters the most to you. Exercise. Even 20 or 30 minutes of daily exercise can have a positive impact on your overall sense of well-being and help improve your mood. Nutrition. By adding wholesome ingredients to your plate, you will be taking steps towards becoming a healthier you. Sleep. Include quiet and calm activities before going to bed and woke up at the same time every day. These are simple ways you can begin your journey towards becoming a successful sleeper. And lastly is mindfulness. Take a moment right now to consider your own mind and how you are feeling. The more you tap into your own thoughts, the more you may become aware of the how you react to the stressful events. So start practicing mindfulness today. Thank you.